No, she's there laying down. Yeah, right there laying down.
That's buffalo.
Keep your head back, Marty. I'm very much to take a picture. Over here.
Poor Harry doesn't have anything on his side. There goes the...
Got his rear end anyhow. That's fun to look forward to. Rhino, you like to see the rear end of a rhino. Now, there he is. Nice rhino. Nice size you are. Rhino coming up to see us while he was. Looks like he changed his mind. He's coming, but coming awful slow. Watch it now, there he is. Boy, hey, why don't you blow your horn? Mr. Rhino, that is.
And a messy mess, too.
And looking through the window of this car is kind of difficult. Now the car just blocked my view. Down there in the hole there. They don't seem to be talking to one another much, Joe. They look good. I think what he wants to go. Sure came out. I think one of the movies. Right there.
See there, Kenny? Go
I say hello to the passengers.
Better watch it, kid.
That's a nice view, huh? Hey, yeah.
See some zebras.
Yeah, don't have to feel good.
And the zebras, we always striped pajamas on it.
Really be a bitch.
You get real close to the zebras. You're going right by them now. I look close. It's pretty quiet right now, you notice.
There's some, you know, like the canoe or...
The one with the long horns there.
It's just known as an animal.
Yeah!
There's one over here. There's some zebras over here.
Yeah!
The giraffes over there. Also the tail end of that yellow car there. There's a red one just went by.
What one?
There goes the white one. He was until that car got in the way. All the animals disappear. What do you think I got now is cars. He's trying to tear up the tree here. He's afraid of all these people, I guess, so he took off for the trees. Bears in the leisure right here, right now. Take it easy in the shade of the old apple tree. I guess the apple tree. Ain't no apples on them now. Bear and also antenna wire of this damn car.
I wish I could take mine off.
The bear looks pretty good.
He says, go ahead.
What's up, view? Man, don't you look pretty? I don't know, duck's head. Take a bath, son.
There's some cranes down here. Flamingos.
What you heard about a while ago when I was taking a picture of the ducks. Yeah, he said something in front of me. There's something in front of me now. I'm taking his daily nap. Now he had some water here. We don't want that, so we had to turn it off. Hide behind some rocks. Can't stay in the side of me, I guess. But they had their reasons, I guess. There they are. Well, that's where we take the Camel cigarettes from, for that camel over there. Believe it or not.